Hello everybody, my name's Akki and today we'll be making a snowman. For this we need thermocol balls, one big and one small, felt, yarn, toothpick, brush, metallic paint, brown paint, thick popsicle stick, scissors, ruler, markers. We need the color of the markers are orange, red, and black. Glue gun, glue sticks, empty toilet paper roll, and a blank paper. Take 2 thermocol balls, one big and one small, and take your toothpick and break a little end. So mine's a little too big, so you have to break it. There. Now take the bigger ball and insert it. Make sure it fits good on the little. So I say I need it to go a little bit down. That should be perfect, see? See? Now attach a little bit of glue. Just like this. Now it's time to make the stand for the snowman so it actually stands. Now for the stand, we need a popsicle stick. We need to cut the popsicle stick into 4 centimeters. We need to do that twice. Now cut off this curved end and make sure you put a line right there. Just like this. Now we need to cut it. Ask a parent to help. I will ask my mom. Now we have to glue these 2 pieces together. Now press it. Just like this. It is time to paint. I will be painting mine brown. You can paint it whatever color you want. After I paint one side, I will let that side dry. Like this. After I paint both sides and let it dry, I'll paint it in gold, so it'll have a little shimmer to it. This is how it turned out. Now it's time to attach the snowman to the stand. Apply a little bit of glue in the center and make sure it stands. Like this. Press it just a little, not too hard. See? Now it will stand. Now it's time to make the hat for the snowman or else he'll get cold. For that, we need to take the empty tissue paper roll and cut it approximately 1 centimeter. Now cut it. And this is how it looks. Just like this. Take some yarn and cut it into 20 centimeters each. We need enough to cover this. Like this. I have made some more. See? Take a yarn piece and fold it in half. And then make a loop. See? Put it through here. And put these 2 through the loop. And then pull it. Like this. Make sure there's no gap. I will show you the second one too. Take it. Fold it, make a loop, and this time, see this place where the 2 strings are? Put it where that's so 2 strings and up. And then pull it through the loop and tighten. You have to do the same thing with the rest. I will do it all and show. Just like this. Now we have to flip it over. Make sure it's straight here. just like this. Now we need to tie it here. For that, we need to take one string and place it here. And then place it and do one knot first, so like this. See? And now we need to flip it over and tie it. And this time, double knot it. See? Now cut this area to make it nice and round. Our cap looks fluffy, but not so fluffy. We need to stuff it. You can stuff it with toy stuffing or cotton. I will be using cut yarn. First, make it into a ball. And now put it in. Doesn't our cap look cute? Now place the hat on the snowman's head for the position you like. Yeah, this one. Now we have to glue it. Our snowman needs a scarf. For that, we can choose any color felt. I will be taking red felt. We need to cut a rectangle out. A long rectangle. Now we need to cut it. Just like this. To make the felt look like a scarf, we have to cut the ends. Just like this. Now we have to put the scarf around the snowman. Just like this. Now we need a hot glue. We need a hot glue here and here. It's time to make the snowman's eyes, nose, and mouth. For the eyes you have black, and for the nose you have orange, and for the mouth you have red. I have already drawn it, see? Now it's time to cut. I have cut out the snowman's face, and now it's time to glue it. I will stick it and show. This is our snowman. It's time to add some blush. It'll be too much, so I'm going to dab it on a piece of paper. Doesn't our snowman look cute? It's missing something. A red flower! Of course, it'll go with the red scarf. Yes! Let's make it. First, take the yarn. Hold the yarn like this, and then pull it through your fingers and out. And then through your fingers again. And out. See? Now you have to repeat it. Make it how big you want. I think this is going to be enough for me, and now cut it. Now glue it with a little bit of glue. Just like this. Now we have to stick the flower on the hat. Apply a little bit of glue where you want to stick it. This is how our snowman looks. I have made other ones also. See? I've made this one, this one, this one, this one, and these two. For the striped ones, I used 2 colors of yarn, and you can repeat the same steps as the one we did with the 1 colored one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.